All right, so now how do we work with them? So if we are adding and subtracting, the concept is the same. The only thing you have to remember is to take your time and be neat, because we need to line the decimals up. So if you had something that costs $3.20 and you had something else that cost $6.15, and by the way, this would be written as 3 2/10. So that would be your mixed fraction, 3 wholes and 2/10. This would be your 6 15/100. Just as a side note, it's always about making connections. The more time you can connect your math lessons forwards and backwards from things that you have learned in the past, the more these concepts will stick. So this is how you would write it as a mixed fraction. But if we want to add these up, it is now about keeping your place values, which we always did when we were just using whole numbers. You always needed to line them up. But here it is even more important that the decimals stay lined up. So if you have trouble keeping things ordered, I maybe suggest to keep your columns, and don't forget to keep your decimals. So 0 plus 5 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3, 6 plus 3 is 9. So now, again, if we were talking money, this would be $9.35. Yeah, okay, we have a special helper today. What if we have some borrowing? Same thing, $7.85. And let's make it $2.45. We've got everything lined up. So again, if you need to make your rows, you can. And you have 5 plus 5 is 10, carry the 1. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus the 1 is 13, carry the 1. 7 plus 2 is 9, makes that 10, which we can't put 10 into this, so this is where we're using our columns, right? We can't put a 10 in the ones column. The 0 goes in the ones, and the 1 gets carried over into the tens because it's now 10. So this is an answer of $10.30. Same thing with subtracting. So these were adding. If you were subtracting, it's the same rules. You start here and you keep subtracting over.